how do you define this responsible wildlife tourism? Way to handle safaris. There's a way
Correct.
to go into the jungle. So, how do you define that?
So you become a responsible person. So
Correct.
for this, I would say that we are suggesting a lot to those all who go. We give them a brief.
What is the difference between a wildlife sanctuary and a national park? मग आपल्या इथे इंडियामध्ये वाईल्ड सँच्युरी कोणत्या आहेत आणि नॅशनल पार्क कोणतं आहे?
So wildlife projects like Tadoba is a
Okay.
wildlife
Sanctuary.
project. Yeah.
Okay. Hello, all. Welcome to our new podcast series, The Travel Stories by Smiles World. Here you are going to listen to real time travel stories, travel experiences, travel inspirations, and you are going to listen to the travel hacks, tips by the real travelers from themselves itself. So, today we have on the couch today Hemangi Vartak, who is a wildlife enthusiast and she is a conservation advocate.
Yes.
Okay. Welcome, Hemangi.
Thank you.
Hemangi is the founder of Jungle Bells, a pioneering venture dedicated to exclusive women's wildlife tours, awareness programs, and conservation activities. Through Jungle Bells, she has created a unique platform that connects urban audiences, especially women and children, with the wilderness, inspiring them to develop empathy for nature and play an active role in protecting wildlife habitats. Wow. Alongside her conservation work, Hemangi is also managing director of Gifts Galore,
Yes.
a 15-year-old enterprise specializing in creating corporate gifting solutions for businesses. She further extends her passion for building meaningful connections through Wishify, a personalized birthday wishing service that blends thoughtfulness with innovation. म्हणजे वेगळंच आहे टोटली वाईल्ड लाईफ अँड गिफ्टिंग.
that, yes.
ओके. Academically, she holds a commerce degree and MBA in marketing and finance from the University of Pune, along with French certifications from Alliance Franchisee.
Yes.
Very nice. She is a badminton enthusiast, music lover, and budding wildlife photographer. Hemangi's personal love for nature fuels her professional mission. She firmly believes that connecting people with the wild through stories, experiences, and exploration is the key to fostering long-term conservation. Wow, very nice. So let's start her journey of wildlife.
Yeah.
सो हेमांगी कशी आलीस तू म्हणजे टोटली वेगळं आहे
Yes,
फील्ड.
Yeah, absolutely. So हे मी खूप ऑर्गॅनिकली आले ॲक्च्युली.
ओके
So I always had a love for wildlife and nature.
ओके
And my first trip was to Kanha
ओके
forest for some work of a client. And then I visited the jungle first time. And once I was back from it, I was completely absorbed. म्हणजे मला असं वाटत होतं की मी परत नेक्स्ट टाइम लगेच कधी जाऊ शकते.
ओके
But obviously that did not happen because of other commitments. But it left me an awe कि I wanted to go back
ग्रेट.
and experience that peacefulness or a detox through it. So ते कॉर्पोरेट कल्चर आणि ह्याच्यामधला मला टोटल डिटॅचमेंट जी असते आपल्या अर्बन लाईफ अँड दिस थिंग ती जाणवली. अँड दॅट्स हाऊ I got into this.
Okay.
So then I started visiting forests every year, one forest each year.
ओ
And these casual safaris and he turned into a deep passion. And a platform was created by Aarti and me. Aarti was my partner. And we created Jungle Bells, and we thought, why not just take women to the forest, because they will get their me time, etc. things. And that's how Jungle Bells was born.
वाव वाव. हाऊ युअर पर्स्पेक्टिव्ह फॉर आय मीन हाऊ इज युअर पर्स्पेक्टिव्ह टुवर्ड्स द नेचर नाव. कारण बऱ्याचदा
Yes.
आपण असं होतं की आपण बघतो आय मीन
Yeah.
वी डू साईट सिंग्स वी
Yeah.
गो फॉर अ नेचर ट्रेल्स अँड एव्हरीथिंग बट हाऊ इज युअर एक्सपिरियन्स. ते तुझा एक्सपिरियन्स फार वेगळा असेल आय कॅन गॅरंटी.
Yeah, so what I used to observe maybe 15 years before when I started in 2010. Right now, nature surprises me every time, because if the forest is still the same, जसं मी ताडोबाला जर 40 वेळा गेले असेल,
ओके
पण फर्स्ट ताडोबाची ट्रिप आणि आत्ताची ट्रिप इज ऑलवेज अ फॉरेस्ट इज डिफरंट फॉर मी. So the birds might be different, the species might be different, or the weather might be different. So आता तो जो ॲस्पेक्ट आहे की सीइंग थिंग्स एव्हरी टाइम न्यू टू द सेम थिंग, that has taught me to look at the forest also.
करेक्ट.
आणि मोर ओव्हर माझं नेचरशी जास्ती कन्झर्वेशनच्या दृष्टीने तो माझा पर्स्पेक्टिव्ह जास्त इन्क्रीज झालाय की
बरोबर
इफ द फॉरेस्ट अँड नेचर इज गिविंग सो मच टू अस what can we do sitting here to save that, you
करेक्ट
know?
करेक्ट
So that overall has changed, म्हणजे तो पर्स्पेक्टिव्ह
बरोबर
बघण्याचा. So
बरोबर.
that's it.
पण तुझं हाऊ हॅव यू डिसाइडेड टू डेडिकेट युअर करिअर यू नो
Yeah.
इट्स व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट म्हणजे
Correct. So I just thought की why not give your whole heart and soul, कारण जसं मी म्हटलं माझं दुसरं व्हेंचर ऑलरेडी आहे.
बरोबर
So I put all my energies here. I also work a lot, म्हणजे travel is for enjoyment, it is for conservation and it is for awareness.
करेक्ट
So ज्यांना मी बरोबर घेऊन जाते, who travel with me, I give them an entire perspective. It's just not tiger chasing. It's a
बरोबर
complete study of the plants, flora, fauna,
बरोबर
इकोलॉजिकल आपण जी एंटायर सिस्टम म्हणतो
बरोबर
ते आम्ही त्यांना आधी ब्रीफिंगमध्ये देतो. व्हेन आय एम ऑन सफारीज आय मेक इट अ पॉइंट टू टॉक अबाउट कॉन्झर्वेशन स्टोरीज मोर
करेक्ट
देन वहाँ पे टाइगर दिखा था नहीं दिखा. सो आई वॉन्ट टू ब्रिंग दिस काइंड ऑफ पर्स्पेक्टिव इन इट.
Okay. So, was there any particular wildlife encounter changed your perspective? Is there any story?
Yes. So first time I had been to Pench Forest
Mhm.
and I saw a tigress with very young cubs.
Okay.
And the kind of tenderness she showed,
Mhm.
you know, in interacting with them.
Mhm.
Then another aspect was she was guarding the entire territory.
Oh.
That tigers they do.
Okay.
So I just thought it's so wonderful that one aspect she has absolutely a tenderness towards her this thing, but she's equally fierce while
Correct.
guarding the territory. So that, you know, really opened my eyes that she is showing that power of being vulnerable plus fierce plus being a caring mother.
Correct.
So there's so many things that it taught. So it just opened my eyes that, you know, this is a wow. This is what a forest is.
Forest is true. Coming back to this point, how do you define this responsible wildlife tourism? You know, कारण बऱ्याचदा ना people over in India or other sometimes when we go
Correct.
out also आपल्याला आपण we don't pay that respect towards the wildlife.
Right.
आणि ही एक ह्युमन माइंडसेट आहे
Correct.
की काय करणार आहेत ती लोक किंवा काय होईल जास्तीत जास्त. बट there is a way to handle safaris. There's a way to go into the jungle. So how do you define
So
that?
I always feel responsible tourism is one thing, that how we see the forest and how we let it be as it was,
Correct.
or we leave it in a better shape than how it was. So responsible tourism is leaving the forest unharmed in
True,
ways.
true.
So not using plastic, being silent in safaris,
True.
chasing sightings, or being patient. These are
Correct.
all parts of responsible tourism. Or litter is something that, you know, we really are this
Correct,
thing. Or
correct.
overcrowding at parks, gates, unnecessarily this thing. Or showing respect to animals in a way that not teasing them, not feeding them.
True.
So people realize की आपण साधा monkeys
हो हो हो.
आपण त्यांना feed करतो, which is absolutely wrong, because they get it from the universe, the forest, or whatever.
Correct.
So we go out of our way and think we are helping, but that is
Actually.
harming them.
True.
So this is again not a responsible tourism, or wherever you go. So not feeding them, you know, things like following these kind of
True.
etiquettes will actually help the forest and nature,
Mhm.
and you become a responsible person. So
Correct.
for this, I would say that we are suggesting a lot to those all who go.
Mhm.
We give them a brief ki
Correct.
काय करा काय करू नका
करू
before
नका.
going into safaris also.
Correct.
Because it is very important, because if you sit and then you're sitting and waiting for the tiger and then you're blabbering away, it loses that serenity and the entire,
True.
you know.
No, usually ना what happens is people are like जंगल में जाना तो सिर्फ शेर देखना है.
हाँ,
शेर दिखा तो ही
Correct.
worth है.
yes.
The safari is worth. Otherwise, I mean, the respect which should come
Yeah.
beyond the tigers also, I think
Correct.
that should come.
Correct.
कारण
Correct.
ते त्यांच्या घरात आपण जातोय.
Yes.
We are going into their houses and they are welcoming.
Correct.
They want us to come. Maintain that serenity, of course, you
Correct.
what you said. पण टायगरच फक्त नाहीये जंगल म्हणजे.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. So this is tiger is a part of the entire ecology.
Ecology.
But tigerच्या पेक्षा you're looking at insects, you're looking
Correct.
at other
Birds,
species, you're looking
yeah.
at birds,
True.
looking at just forest overall landscapes.
I know.
So you would never get to see. So Pench, Kanha, they have beautiful landscapes with
True.
water bodies and all.
True.
So tigers is a component of it. It is very important because it's at the top of the entire cycle. But it's not the only thing. And people say, "Arey tiger ne dikha hai." It's wasted.
कुछ
मैं
नहीं
सफारी
किया, कुछ नहीं किया यार, कुछ नहीं
So
किया.
that's not the thing. So this mindset of tiger-centric tourism,
True.
it's going to take a long time to change. But
that is the
that's
reason
how
might
it
be
work.
you guys are not calling it as a tiger safaris and wildlife safaris.
Yeah, that's
because
right.
tiger safaris जर तुम्ही म्हटलात तर people will definitely go with the mindset of chasing only tigers.
Tigers, yeah,
But
correct.
the way you say
Absolutely
it, it's a wildlife safari. So it's like
Correct.
you're paying respect to entire jungle and not
Jungle.
just the tiger sighting.
Correct. That's
Great. So काही misconceptions about the wildlife safaris we just spoke.
one I would mention.
Yeah.
Guaranteed sighting of a tiger. So it's different. Zoos,
I know.
wildlife sanctuaries, national parks are different.
True.
So you do not get
काय
this.
difference असतो? Let's come to this point. What is the difference between a wildlife sanctuary and a national park? Zoo, of course, we know that they are caged and we go and we are out.
Correct.
They are inside the cage.
Correct.
पण wildlife sanctuary आणि national park मध्ये काय difference?
So generally, national park has an entire flora, fauna, and the wildlife in it.
Okay.
Wildlife sanctuary, what I'm talking about national park, wildlife sanctuary is a tiger project more.
Okay.
So there is flora, fauna, bird species.
Okay.
But the focus is on more of tiger. National park has a expanse more.
Okay.
And it has more of, it takes into account the entire flora, fauna, other insects.
Okay.
पासनं बाकीचे सगळे स्पीशीज.
मग आपल्या इथे इंडियामध्ये वाईल्ड लाईफ सँच्युरी कोणत्या आहेत आणि नॅशनल पार्क कोणतं आहे?
सो वाईल्ड लाईफ प्रोजेक्ट्स लाईक ताडोबा इज अ वाईल्ड लाईफ
सँच्युरी.
सो असं आहे किंवा कान्हा is a national park because it has a usual landscapes and it has flora, fauna. So this is the kind of difference. Zoos are again what we say are completely different.
बरोबर.
So though they come under the forest services also, some few zoos.
Right.
But then those handicapped animals or hurt or they are taken to these kind of zoos. आपल्या पुण्याची पण कात्रज zoo आहे पण that's a sheltered kind of this thing.
Right. How do you promote tourism while doing this wildlife thing?
Yes. So we request people to visit the national parks. What you do, or safaris, whatever, when you go on safaris, you do a lot of things. You support the local community there because you end up, the guys, gypsy drivers and all are actually, give them livelihood by going on safaris.
Correct.
You buy souvenirs. You support the local culture there.
Correct.
Suppose you stay in homestays. जसं तुम्ही पेंच कान्हा वगैरेला गेलात आणि तिकडच्या होमस्टे मध्ये राहिलात, एक्सपिरियन्स देअर फूड और देअर ट्राइब्स. सो देर आर अ लॉट ऑफ ऑर्गनायझेशन्स हू कंडक्ट नेचर वॉक्स और ट्रायबल वॉक्स. म्हणजे तिकडच्या कम्युनिटीजच्या घरांमध्ये ते कसे राहतात, हाऊ दे को एक्झिस्ट विथ द टायगर बिकॉज दे आर ऑन द पेरिफरी ऑफ द दिस थिंग फॉरेस्ट. सो या सगळ्या बाबत तुम्ही केलं तर ते if you encourage these kind of things, the tourism obviously, and see nowadays a tourist wants to have an immersive experience.
Correct.
So नुसतं मला त्या प्लेसला जाऊन नाही यायचंय और फोटोज नाही काढायचे, मला तो एंटायर एक्सपिरियन्स आला पाहिजे. सो या सगळ्या गोष्टी इवन इफ यू आर गोइंग टू अ फॉरेस्ट यू कॅन गिव्ह देम अँड एनकरेज दिस काइंड ऑफ टुरिझम.
Correct. Any challenging experience you faced till date?
Oh my, people want to chase, again, people want to chase tigers. We have to tell them that how they have to change their perspective.
Correct.
Not to speak, like I said, not to litter, don't you take plastic bottles inside, support that kind of. So other than this, त्यांना तिथेच एज्युकेट करणं और बिफोर द सफारी स्टार्ट्स, इट्स व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट.
राईट. अँड हाऊ डू यू ट्रेन युअर गाईड्स? कारण गाईड्स आर समवन who actually we are dependent on them. I mean, once you start the safari, the guides are the key people. की ते कुठे साइटिंग होईल त्यापासून सांगतात and plus as you said they educate the people. So how do you train them?
Guide trainings are a very important aspect in the forest this thing. म्हणजे त्यांच्या इथे असतंच. So monsoons are the low-lying period for the forest because the forests are shut.
Correct.
So from July to September, generally these guides trainings happen.
Okay.
So त्यांना त्यांच्या टेस्ट असतात, त्यांना तिथले कुठले इन्सेक्ट्स प्रकार,
बरोबर.
टायगर्स, वेदर
Then deep knowledge of that.
हा, सो दे बाहेरचे ट्रेनर्स येऊन त्यांना ट्रेन करतात.
बरोबर.
पण वी ऑल्सो वाईल गोईंग वी टेल
Mhm.
देम टू शेअर देअर स्टोरीज इन वाईल्ड लाईफ रादर दॅन जस्ट सेइंग चलो यहाँ रुक के टायगर का वेट
वेट
करते.
करते.
सो
Correct.
यू टॉक अबाउट फॉरेस्ट, यू टॉक अबाउट कुठले प्लांट्स आहेत, कुठले मेडिसिनल प्लांट्स आहेत,
बरोबर.
कुठले आम्हाला उपयोगाला येतात. यु नो, इफ यू शेअरिंग दीज काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स विथ द टुरिस्ट हू कम, दे विल गेट मोर यु नो क्युरियस की अरे हे पण होतं ते पण
बरोबर.
होतं. साधे साधे असतात म्हणजे
हो,
गोष्टी.
हो.
किंवा स्पायडर्समध्ये कसा
हो.
यु नो हाऊ इट हॅपन्स.
रिसेंटली हॅपन विथ मी.
सो
मी एकदा आता मी जस्ट ताडोबाला गेले होते अँड आय साइटेड अ स्पायडर ओव्हर देअर. पण ती
Yeah.
नेट ती जी वेब बनवली इट वॉज
Exactly.
कम्प्लिटली, आय हॅव अ फोटो ऑफ दॅट.
येस,
आणि कम्प्लिटली डिफरंट होती. म्हणजे मी म्हणेल की डोमेस्टिकेटेड स्पायडर इज डिफरंट दॅन अ वाईल्ड लाईफ
absolutely. Or there's a bird called honey buzzard. तो आपलं पोळं असतं त्याच्यावर बसतो
बरोबर.
आणि ही पेक्स दॅट अँड
Okay.
देन ही वॉन्ट्स द bees are disturbed and then they scatter away. So there was the bees attack happen a lot of times in the forest. So अशा या छोट्या छोट्या गोष्टी आहेत ज्या
बरोबर.
तुम्ही गाईड लोक, कारण त्यांना रोजचं जंगल असतं.
बरोबर.
So they encounter n number of things.
करेक्ट.
So they can share this in those 4 hours of gypsy when it is, and then develop that curiosity.
करेक्ट.
So that's how that trainings happen, and you know, it's a continuous this thing.
प्रोसेस. अँड हॅव यू एव्हर एन्काउंटर्ड लाईक असा काही एक्सपिरियन्स आला की बिकॉज ऑफ पीपल मे बी द टायगर हॅज शोन हिज यु नो वाईल्ड साईड ऑफ हिम अँड यू हॅव टू लिटरली
Yes. So
सेव्ह दोज गेस्ट अँड यु नो अशा काही एक्सपिरियन्सेस आले?
actually, I had been to Panna recently.
ओके.
Panna is in Madhya Pradesh, we know, and there's a boat safari.
ओके.
So you sit in the boat and you sometimes see a tiger, sometimes don't. So
Okay.
that river, Ken River ji ahe,
बरोबर.
Karnavati, what we call
Uh-huh.
near Panna. So one side is a tourism zone, other side is a non-tourism zone. So there are no routes. You cannot go there.
ओके.
By boat you can go
Mhm.
if you happen to see a non-tourism tiger. म्हणजे तो तिथे राहतो बेसिकली.
बरोबर.
तर यू आर लकी. सो
बरोबर.
आम्ही त्या बोटमधनं गेलो आणि देर वॉज दिस टायगर इज सिटिंग आरामसे इन वॉटर. ओके. Few of the people with me wanted to take closer photos.
Oh God.
So
The photos?
not very close. So photos is a maniac
I
thing. So I
know.
want to take a photo.
Okay.
So I told him, let's keep a good distance and click.
Mhm.
But somewhat, we were at some 8-10 feet and she was quite resting in this thing.
Mhm.
She's not used to a lot of gypsies
Okay.
because she comes from a non-tourism. She's not seen a lot of gypsies and move around.
Okay.
So ती पण जरा थोडी अशी मला चेहऱ्यावरनं एक्सप्रेशन स्टार्टेड चेंजिंग. आय मीन शी वॉज
Hmm.
ऑल्सो व्हेरी हे. अँड थोडीशी ती बोट ड्रिफ्ट होत थोडी अजून जवळ गेली बिकॉज ही शट ऑफ दॅट एंजिन बेसिकली.
Okay.
अँड देन इट ड्रिफ्टेड टुवर्ड्स हर.
Okay.
सो शी गॉट अप फ्रॉम द वॉटर अँड
Oh.
शी डिड अ मॉक चार्ज.
Oh my God.
मॉक चार्ज म्हणजे ती ॲक्च्युली पळत आली बोटवरती आणि दॅट वॉज शॅलो थँकफुली.
Oh.
आणि तिने जस्ट घाबरवलं. पण नंतर सगळे शांत बसून आम्ही परत आलो. दॅट वॉज सम एक्सपिरियन्स. दॅट्स व्हाय आय से नॉट डिस्टर्बिंग
True.
देअर बिकॉज वी आर इन टू देअर
The
हॅबिटॅट.
habitat. True.
We shouldn't forget
Actually.
that.
Correct.
So this was one experience that it was hair raising for me also for the first time.
आणि लोक वागतात पण
वागतात, yeah, absolutely.
वी कॅन चेंज देअर म्हणजे एव्हरी टाइम वी हॅव टू यु नो एड्युकेट देम.
Yeah, absolutely.
पण तो जो पॉइंट ऑफ एक्साइटमेंट जे असते ना,
Correct.
सायटिंग इट सो क्लोजर आणि
Yeah.
फोटोज ऑफकोर्स
Photos, yeah.
आणि इट इज ऑल फॉर सोशल मीडिया.
Exactly. So the instant आपण ग्रॅटिफिकेशन जे म्हणतो
हो.
किंवा इन्स्टंट रिस्पॉन्सेस फ्रॉम सोशल, त्यांना तिथून बसून दे वॉन्ट टू से दॅट टायगर मिल गया.
म्हणजे सेल्फी घ्यायला बसलेत लोक.
So this needs to
Actually.
reduce.
Yes, I think yes. Risky encounter, yes, you have told me. Which animal fascinates you the more?
No, we've already spoken. Tiger is something that I shouldn't say. I've been rappelling ki don't go behind tigers, but I have a very different perspective. The way it moves in the forest,
Actually,
the way other species are aware that its movement is there, the grace and the aura that it has is just
True.
not the strength.
true,
There are it's not got a very easy life.
true.
So a tiger has to mark his territory. It has, the tigress has to take care of her cubs from other predators.
Correct.
Watch out for that.
In fact, recently मी एक स्टोरी ऐकली, आय डोंट नो, यू कॅन पुट अ
Yeah.
लाईट ऑन इट, की कान्हामध्ये, सॉरी, ताडोबामध्ये देर वॉज दिस टायग्रेस कॉल्ड माया,
Yeah.
अँड तिने तिची टेरिटरी मार्क केलेली होती. आणि तिथे तो एक हे असतो की माझ्या जनरेशनचेच कप्स पुढे जातील,
Yeah.
अँड दे विल ती
Take on
हेराकी
the-
टेक
yeah,
ऑन द थिंग.
correct.
So she was the last tigress who, these are not man-eaters,
Yeah.
right?
These are not man.
These
no,
are not
these
man-eaters.
man-eaters.
But she was the last one. She got wounded, and then
Yes, yeah.
she attacked one of the forest officers.
Yes, yes.
पण त्याच्या आधीच्या तिच्या काही स्टोरीज होते की शी वॉज नॉट लेटिंग अदर कप्स टू ग्रो,
Correct,
असं पण काही स्टोरीज मी ऐकलं.
Correct,
व्हॉट
correct,
इज दॅट?
correct.
इज दिस ट्रू?
So, the thing that she was not allowing other cubs to this thing is not quite true. But there are incidences that other male tigers have killed her cubs, which
Okay.
are male, because they did not want
ओके.
the territory. Plus, Maya was a very dominant tigress, very fierce. She did not allow other tigress, obviously, to
Obviously.
venture into her territory.
बरोबर.
And she had 4 to 5 males at one point of time with her.
ओ माय गॉड.
So she was an absolutely fearless and very good tigress. I mean, in the sense, she got actually Tadoba on the radar of the world map.
करेक्ट.
कारण सगळ्यांना माया माहितीये सगळ्यांना,
बरोबर.
कारण ती इतकी बोल्ड होती, ती रस्त्यावरती फिरायची, कब्जना घेऊन फिरायची.
बरोबर.
So lot is written, but the other way around, these are kind of, she has killed a couple of people.
ओके.
But the last one, what you said is forest officer, it was also a little bit wrong on the forest officer's part, I would say, because she got down
हां, तो
and
मी इन्सिडेंट ऐकला.
हो, ती चालत गेली where she was sitting. So a tiger will always feel scared,
Scared.
म्हणजे ह्युमन्स हे करून.
बरोबर.
इट्स नॉट द अदर वे राऊंड.
हम्म,
सो ते ह्युमन्सना वाटतं अरे बापरे आम्हीच घाबरतो, ते नाहीये, तेही घाबरतात.
नाही, इनफॅक्ट मी माझ्या गाईडनी ही खूप एक चांगली पॉइंट सजेस्ट केला होता की टायगर त्याच्या हाईटपेक्षा जर तुम्ही त्याच्यासमोर रॉयली गेलात तर ही वुड नॉट अटॅक यू, तो तुम्हाला घाबरेल. पण तुम्ही त्याच्या हाईटपेक्षा तुम्ही जर हे केलं खाली वाकलात किंवा हे, तर तो तुम्हाला अटॅक करेल, बिकॉज ही विल थिंक की यू आर अंडर हिज कंट्रोल. तर हा एक मुद्दा मला त्यावेळेस त्यांनी सांगितलं तुम्हाला खूप. आणि त्या फॉरेस्ट ऑफिसर्स आय गेस तसंच काहीतरी झालं होतं. अँड द टायगर फेल्ट की ते काहीतरी सांबार वगैरे कोणीतरी आहे, अँड देन शी
attacked. Yeah, so that was very unfortunate. Or people who go, the villagers who live on the periphery, like I said, who go inside for grazing, and then they are in the bush for their washroom or bathroom, and they're all down on all fours. That is a time when most of the incidents have happened.
True,
So that's
true,
it.
true. So what advice would you give travelers going on their first wildlife safari?
Be patient, keep your eyes and ears open.
Okay.
The forest actually teaches you a lot of things, from
Correct.
patience to just being in the moment at that point of time. So there are a lot of things to learn. There are alarm calls that you go. So how do you work as a team against the tiger? So there are small learnings that you can come back and this thing. There's no network, so you learn how to detox.
I know. That is the
without
most
your
important
phone.
thing.
Yes.
Nowadays.
So all these things I said, and just don't go. I mean, don't equate the forest experience with a tiger sighting.
Correct.
I always tell that. Even if you don't see, you will see someday. असं नाहीये की दिसतच नाहीये
आणि बाकीचे दिसतील ना.
आणि बाकीचे दिसतील. Yeah.
Correct. So how can ordinary tourists contribute to the conservation? Yeah, this is very important.
Wow. So that's what I said. So when you visit, an ordinary tourist can obviously experience the culture there. You can go to their houses. You can see how they stay.
Correct.
आता काही ज्या ट्रायबल्स आहेत लाईक पारधीज अँड बेगाज इन मध्य प्रदेश, त्यांना बेगा वॉक आहे, ट्राईब वॉक आहे. You can, and then you can buy souvenirs, not of mass production,
Correct.
but what these people actually produce, or they do by themselves. You can also, instead of staying at a really 5-star resorts there, you can choose to stay at eco-friendly lodges and
Correct.
homestays that these people have created. So that's how त्यांना तुम्ही livelihood दिलत.
बरोबर.
You can do sitting here something in
Correct,
the urban cities.
So where do you find India as a future of
So
global?
India has huge scope for wildlife tourism if the a few things have been looked into. Like a simple thing, I can give you an example. आपल्या महाराष्ट्राचे rates of safaris are different than MP. Then Ranthambore is different. Then so maybe bringing it up on a
Uniform level.
Yeah, uniform level. If you go to America, there are national parks also there.
Correct.
Which if you buy a pass, you can see 3 national parks in that.
True.
तुम्ही तसं इथे काहीतरी केलं की तुम्ही एक पास घेतलात. आय एम नॉट सेइंग इट्स अ फार फेच थिंग, बट असं काहीतरी युनिफॉर्मिटी आणली तर
Correct.
इट विल गेट स्ट्रीमलाइंड
Correct.
रादर दॅन ऑल दिस. कारण
Correct.
सध्या डिमांड फॉर सफारीज इज मच हायर दॅन सप्लाय.
Correct.
सो द परमिट्स लोकांना वाटतं की मला पुढच्या आठवड्यात ताडोबाला जायचं नाही
How
होत.
early should a person plan
सो
for
2 months, 2
2
to 3.
months, है ना?
सो इट्स कारण सध्या तर तुम्ही परमिट्स सोल्ड आउट आहेत, हे ते असंच येतं.
तसंच असतं.
कारण तो डिमांड खूप झालाय, सगळ्यांनाच जायचंय,
बरोबर.
फॅमिलीज आर गोईंग, फोटोग्राफर्स आर गोईंग.
बरोबर.
So I feel if these things, if we have a huge scope, removing a tiger centric and projecting it as a biodiversity park, because आपलं forest cover
बरोबर.
is so good in India, so it will put you on the world map.
वर्ल्ड मॅप. ट्रू. इनफॅक्ट असंही करू शकतो की आपण ॲटलीस्ट एका पासमध्ये तुम्ही 2 वेळा सफारी करू शकता.
Yeah.
समटाइम्स इफ वन्स यू आर नॉट एबल टू साईट ॲटलीस्ट सेकंड टाइम
Second time, correct.
असं काही ऑफर्स पण आपण ठेवू
Yeah,
शकतो,
yeah,
है ना?
absolutely.
की
yes.
जस्ट आणि हल्ली द youth they are attracted towards
Correct,
wildlife.
correct,
म्हणजे nowadays we are finding that more. People
So
want to-
naturalists,
yeah, and they want to
photographers,
go and
wildlife,
stay inside
stay
the
inside,
jungles.
yeah.
Like they want to take that experiences.
Correct.
That's what I have experienced.
Yes.
Great. So we'll quickly take a rapid fire round.
Yes.
Just fun to the
Okay.
interview. So what would you choose, mountain or beaches?
I will choose mountains.
Okay. Solo trip or group trip?
Solos.
Solos?
Yes.
Wow. Sunrise hike or a late night city stroll?
Sunrise hike.
Wow. You are a early beginner. Street food or a fine dining?
Fine dining.
Fine dining. Coffee in a cafe or tea at a road style stall?
Theater road style.
Great. अच्छा, आतापर्यंतचा सगळ्यात फेवरेट लोकल डिश यू हॅव ट्राईड?
You talking about Pune? Per se?
No. In your travel entire
In my travel?
journey.
Thupka.
Tupka. Yes. Okay. The most breathtaking view you have seen?
I have seen Ladakh,
Okay.
Zanskar Valley.
Wow.
Yeah, that is
Very
something
nice.
which was
Very
really
nice.
beautiful.
One country you would move to, like if tomorrow you've given a chance to move, like,
Country or a place?
or a place?
Place? No, I would go and settle in a bench or a
I
Kama
thought so.
or a Corbett.
I thought so. Okay. Hidden gem you would tell your friend to visit?
Sanjay Tiger Reserve or Chorbauli in Maharashtra. It's a forest.
Okay. Chorbauli, I have heard it first time.
Yeah, so it's Penchचं एक गेट आहे महाराष्ट्राचं.
Okay.
Beautiful forest, untapped.
Okay.
It's still not under the radar,
Okay.
but lovely biodiversity. And Sanjay Tiger Reserve is ahead of Bandhavgarh.
Bandhavgarh.
So if you go, it's again a beautiful thing and it's peaceful. It's not crowded yet.
True. पण आता ते होईल crowded.
आता होईल.
Okay. And favorite, अच्छा, next bucket list destination?
Actually, I've not traveled outside India for forests.
Okay.
So a Masai Mara or a Serengeti will be something that I would want to see.
Masai Mara is, I would love to come.
Yes.
Okay. Dream travel companion?
As I said, I love to travel solo. So me with myself is this thing. But
Okay.
obviously family and friends are, I mean, I enjoy with them too whenever I go.
Okay. So thank you, Hemangi. Thank you
Thanks
to
so
be
much.
here.
Yes.
आणि खूप छान इन्साइट सांगितले
Yeah.
तू वाईल्ड लाईफबद्दल. आणि खरंच आहे की आपल्याला एज्युकेशन वाईज आपल्याला कळलं पाहिजे
Correct.
हाऊ वाईल्ड लाईफ शुड बी डन,
Correct.
सफारी शुड बी डन. बऱ्याचदा आपल्याला असं लोक मिळतात की भेटतात की ज्यांना वाईल्ड लाईफ बघायचं असतं पण दे आर नॉट एबल टू रिस्पेक्ट द वाईल्ड लाईफ.
Correct. Yeah.
सो तो रिस्पेक्ट आणणं गरजेचं आहे ॲज अ traveler at heart and as a woman entrepreneur, as a what you can say, as my duty towards the
Absolutely.
Tourism.
Correct.
I think we are the ones who educate people
Absolutely.
how to go in the
yeah,
jungles
correct.
and how to do it. So thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you for
Thank you
being
so
here.
much for inviting me.
Yes.
It was really insightful and you're doing a big thing. And seriously, this is the kind of awareness. It's a part of
Actually.
your awareness, this thing, nothing else.
Yes. So thank you, viewers. Thank you for watching this episode. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube channel. Thank you.